Hey guys, good morning. In this tutorial, we will see the progress dialog. So for that, I'm creating a project on name of progress dialog with Kotlin. We will see. So I'm creating the progress dialog with Kotlin. So I'm creating this Kotlin project. So once this project is created, here we can see the simple way, like we can create with simple way. So just I want to take the user UI from here. So then I will see that next here. See, I'm writing the UI here. Just I'll copy this UI. Remaining things we will write as it is. So just UI in a UI, text view and one button. Right, button name is the progress dialog. This I'm taking the progress. Like here in a linear layout text view, just taking this like this. So now once this project has loaded, first we will see, we will give the data binding and we will continue from there. But this is the program where like when any content is loading, so on those cases we will show that this is page is loading and the user has to wait, right? So that's those places we will use this progress dialog. So how that will come? Now we will concentrate here. So let's load this project. So almost the project has loaded. Now once this is loaded here, we will enable the data binding. So I'm changing the version 4 and here I'm adding the data binding. So that is a data binding enable equal to true, right? So let us sync this. So once the data binding has synced, here we can able to write the code for the this. So almost this gradle scripting function. So now here, meanwhile, we will enable here data binding. So that is where binding column. So that is activity main binding. So we'll handle nullify condition here, right? So then here we will map that binding equal to, so that is data binding util. So data binding util dot set content. Right here, we will add this. Done. So now let's load this. Once this is loaded, we will see here now. Once it is loaded, we will see almost it is done. So once this is loaded, we can write here the button listener and everything. So that meanwhile we'll write that binding dot. So progress dot set on click listener. So within this on click listener, once that is loaded, we will write that. So on click listener. So within this on click listener, we need to write the code for this. Let us load this now. So where binding, sorry, where here we need to declare where progress dialog. So I'm defining the progress dialog equal to, so that is here progress dialog. So this is the progress dialog. So this is with reference of the context we will define here. So okay, meanwhile we will import these things. Okay, still that is not loading. We will see here. So whenever we use the dialogs, immediately that you can write the dot show. So dot show is a mandatory for that. Then here we will write the progress dialog for the progress dialog. So progress dialog dot. So set title. So we need to write the title. So title I'm writing, are you like please wait. Please wait. So here next is the progress dialog dot set message. So please wait. Please wait. Content loading. Like this, I'm writing content loading. Right. So now let us import this and we will run this. After this, we have one more step on this. After running that, we will define that. So activity main binding. So activity main binding. Done. Set on click listener. Set on click. Right. I'm running this. Now we will see this. It is running. We will see now once it is run. Yeah. So now I'm reading and see automatically this is come here. Like this is the progress. For example, I want to change this progress dialog style. So here you can change the progress dialog style also. So that is progress dialog dot. So set progress style. So set progress style. So that is progress dialog means without applying that progress dialog style, it will come horizontal. So if you want, sorry, what like spinner, it will come. If you want to set horizontal, you can set the horizontal like here. See. Now it will come with the horizontal. So now it is installing. We'll see here now. Now it is showing like this. So this is like even if you want to give here style spinner, here you can use the spinner. So it will come as a spinner. Like you will see now that also. Means without giving that also directly it will come spinner. If you want to specify that, you can specify the spinner also, no problem like this. See now it is like this. Right. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.